What's up, guys? It's Frank from the Jeep Life Podcast. So today I have my 2012 JKU Rubicon here, and I recently replaced my outer fenders with a set of Aries aluminum fenders. I'm not really happy with the way that the inner fender came out though. I ended up reusing the stock inner fenders, and in order to do that they had to be cut down, and I'm just not happy with the result. While it was adequate for the time being, I recently had a birthday and my wife was able to get me a set of Ace Engineering aluminum inner fenders. So we're going to get the old stuff off and go ahead and install the brand new aluminum inner fenders. So here's the stock inner fender that was cut down to fit. While I reused a couple of the factory bolts, we will be reusing those bolts again, and I had to put a zip tie down there just to keep it secure, and I'm not really happy with it. So we're going to go ahead and get this off, and we'll fit up our new aluminum inner fender from Ace Engineering. Holding the new inner fender in place, you can see where it lines up with two factory speed nuts up there and a third speed nut over there. And then there's two additional holes for provided self-tapping screws. That'll keep everything nice and secure. According to the instructions, if you wanted to add a marker light, that speed nut would have to come out and the hole would have to be enlarged to get the LED marker light in there. I'm going to be doing that, but let's get everything in there first. With the inner fender mocked up in place, you could see where the hole needs to be enlarged for the new marker light. I'll be using a round style LED marker light for that, so I had to get a drill in there and drill all the way through to the factory sheet metal underneath there to mount this light, and that's going to go right to where the factory marker light was. So here you can see where I connected the LED corner marker light. It has to go through the two holes that you drill, and then it goes right to the factory harness right here. I'm going to tape that up, and we can go ahead and get this all bolted back up into place and be good to go. And there you have it, guys. New aluminum inner fender is on. Much cleaner appearance than a cut stock plastic fender. Installed with really easy couple of bolts, couple of self-tapping screws, and if you're going to do a marker light, it's one hot wire, one ground wire, and drilling a hole to accommodate your light. Hope I was able to help you guys out, and good luck on your next project. I think my next project though is going to be moving on to the rear of the Jeep, because I did not get rear inner fenders, and I have a little bit of a rust issue that I'm going to address in my next video. So take care, guys.